Hey y'all, it's Andrea. Today I'm coming at you with a little bit of a different plan with me. It is going to be faster, but I was thinking that y'all could ask me questions down below and I will answer them in my next work plan with me, and maybe I can do these monthly and do my monthly spread and also one kind of base for my week. And this is all fully functional for the most part. Planning, and I am planning in my print impression spiral that perfectly fits my monthly kits as well as my weekly kits. And this is mostly all for work, and this has been helping me for the past few months to stay on top of things because life has totally been crazy. So for my monthly, I am using this, I think I called it By the Sea maybe kit, and I am obsessed with it. I've been wanting to figure out a way to how to incorporate monthlies into my routine, and I think kind of planning out my videos as well as putting in my new releases and any other kind of monthly thing that I need is very helpful for that. And I think it turned out super pretty. I think I brought in regular hollow foil, and it's just so sparkly and fun. Putting in the dates is definitely the most tedious part, but it is kind of relaxing to do, to kind of just place down the little stickers. Again, this is going to be definitely a longer video, but I thought as a little bit of an introduction, I could kind of explain what I'm doing, and then for future videos, I can make them longer and answer any questions that you leave in the comments down below this video for that video, and so on and so forth. So it could be like a little Q&A, a little look inside of how I functionally plan every month. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below about, this idea as well. But I'm just going to go in and fill out all of the things that I know. Like every Monday I put in a new release video, and then I also have the mystery reveal and a haul that I put up every month. And then also a bunch of plan with me's and other videos as well. And then I also put in when new mystery spots open, and also the new release days. So also a little bit rusty on this because I've never filmed a work plan with me before, but I think it turned out beautiful, very functional and minimal, but I still think having stickers makes it cute and something that I want to look at all month long. Now, if we flip to my weekly, I actually went backwards because that's the next week in my planner, is actually the week before the month ends, and I'm going to be using, I think it's Summer in Provence, and this is beautiful art. I am obsessed with it. I thought it was so pretty. I love the colors. I feel like a lot of the kits that I use in this planner, I'm like, I should have used this in my main planner. I used, what kit was it? Is it Sunset next week? And oh, that's so pretty. The colors in that kit are everything. And I'm kicking myself that I didn't use it in my main planner, but I am going to save this planner as well. So it kind of feels like it's I don't know. I feel like I have regret not using, kits, but I feel like this is still I'm going to flip back and look at all the spreads just to see how pretty they are. Obviously, it's not as fun because they're not fun plans. It's just my work schedule, not schedule, but things I need to do and stuff like that. But I still think it's a beautiful use of extra art. I get to use double the art, and I'm fine with that. So basically for my spread, which I've been doing pretty much the same spread. When did I start doing this? February? I haven't missed a week, and it's been super helpful for me. This kind of definitely takes me back to 2017 planning, 2017 I feel where I did a lot of no white space look, and this kind of gives the same vibes with doing the bougie boxes all along the bottom. I feel for me, I don't love just having a blank area, but I feel for some reason having the bougie there, even if there's nothing in that box, it still feels sparkly and fun and pretty. So on my sidebar, I do put in the new releases for the week, all the kits, the foil bundles, the doodles, everything. I just write them down so that whenever I am on Tuesday doing my listings, I can go through and check those off. And then every day has a ombre heart checklist, which those are available a la carte in shop for the kits, the new format ones, and then a full box and then a bougie box where I can overlay little things, labels, and things like that. On Monday, I put in that I was going to work, which I actually didn't go to work on Monday. I went on Sunday because Nick and I had a date night, which was our first since basically 2019 because in 2020, COVID and Theo. And then by the time that we were like, thinking about going on dates, I was pregnant again and I didn't want to like risk anything. So this was our first date and basically for forever. And afterwards, since we were like down south already, like not south, but like down near work, we're like, all right, let's just go to work now and get it done with. And then I don't have to drive back down on Monday. So didn't go to work on Monday, but usually I do. I put in the videos for the week with these squared boxes and then just a random doodle from the doodle sheet. And then I went ahead and put in the wax videos that I planned to do. If y'all didn't know, I did make a wax channel because basically I have enough videos to do like a video every single day. And I didn't want to bombard y'all on this channel if it's not something that you're interested in. And I was kind of getting to the point where I was like, I don't know. I was like, I just get like in my head about things and I'm like, and if you've been here a while, I get like this every once in a while where I'm like, does anyone care about what I'm saying? I talk too much. I talk about things people don't care about. And obviously if you're here, you probably care about what I'm saying, but I just get in my head and I think that putting all my wax stuff on a separate channel will let me have that like freedom to like not worry about it because it feels like kind of like fun and like I could just do whatever over there. And I also do put my like meals on the bottom as well, which is like the only non-work thing. But you can kind of see here like my plans for the week. And then I just add things as the week goes on. And I love it. Again, it's been working really well for me. But don't forget to leave your questions down below. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.